Okay.
But
How old is that helmet?
well over 20.
Interesting.
And it's clear down as low as it'll go, and that says 9. And I still have a hell of a time with it.
9 as in the shade?
Yeah, that's on shade 9 on that one. And I still have a hell of a time seeing what I'm doing.
All right.
Now I've got another one up there that was made, it says Snap-on on it. My son bought it for me. Really cool little hood or helmet. But it's a small hole. And it actually, remember yesterday? It actually has the shaded on the sides. Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
But the window was so small, and it does work, but it was non-adjustable.
Do you like a larger window? Larger viewing area?
The bigger viewing area I can get, the better.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're going to put it to the test. You ready? Yeah, so I plugged it in. I charged that already.
Oh, okay.
And this right here is, I think what that does is
Maybe switches you from grind to,
See,
because I saw something flashing.
Yeah.
That grind a second ago.
But see, and there was a, yeah, how do you turn, I don't know how, do you activate it when you're welding? Does it look like it's doing anything? Hot by Cougar.
See, 'cause just from their pictures they're showing in here, you've got a before type lens,
Right.
and then this here, it's showing it a lot brighter, so that I might
So
not
that's
need a
what they're
7.
saying with this, that's gonna give you
Yeah.
that look, okay?
Right.
The Vision, I believe, is this helmet right here, that's the, and this is the Carrera. So this, here's that one right here.
Art 1. Well, they're both Art 1s.
Yeah, that's the brand. And this is the type, that's a Vision, there's a Carrera, and I think there's a Hot, 3 different, so that's, so what,
It's on 10,
9
which is
or
a
10,
standard.
right?
It's on
Okay.
10, which is a standard.
okay,
Sensitivity is low, let's crank that up.
so sensitivity, the
Is-
brighter the
How
flash.
quick, it's,
Oh,
yeah.
delay.
Well, then you have a delay, which the delay I always put on minimum.
Oh, there is a setting for that, okay.
Yeah, on this one here, it's got the delay, and then you have your sensitivity. So, like the other day, I was TIG welding, depending on how clean it is, your environment that you're in, your sensitivity. If you get into a white room, you need that set real high on the sensitivity. 'Cause it'll
Oh,
flash.
it's the flash,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
It'll go off a reflection, it'll do anything off the stainless
Okay.
steel. Sometimes you need to turn them down, sometimes you gotta play with them a little bit to make them.
Okay.
Yeah, the color thing, like what the thing
Right.
was showing. Yeah, when it's down lower, now I can see the color change.
Huh.
And now,
Would you-
now it's blue instead of kind of a green
Right.
color.
So, very comparable to your helmet,
Other than the color change.
other than the color change.
No, and that's what I, on that one paper you had, it says something about true color technology
Oh, yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah.
It changes it in this lens. I've got it down to the 9, but it changes that color. It's a little easier to see.
Huh.
Instead of a kind of a greenish,
Yeah.
orangish flare,
So you're saying it's
got
a
a
little
blue,
bit easier to see?
there's a blue tinge.
Okay,
there's a blue tinge to it
fantastic.
that made it a little easier here on that tail end once I kind of.
Okay. So let's try the Carrera. And that's gonna be, this is gonna be the interesting one, because I'm not,
This one if you're doing a lot of fabrication and stuff and you're getting into corners and you got things that you're working around with that big lens, it helps a lot. Tight quarters, you know, where you got to look at the corner of your eye or the top or the bottom of the lens, that's why I really like these.
Very good.
Okay, we'll start at 9 and work my way down. Okay, and it is on, that's on grind.
You want to try this one, David?
Yeah, oh yeah, let me try this out.
Or even try that one then. It's turned down to where, you know,
Oh,
that's,
yeah, let me try
that's
it.
one of
Yeah,
yours that you
right.
need to see.
Yeah.
Okay, give me mine back now.
Because you get into yours and you, oh shit, yeah, that'd screw him up.
Actually, he said he liked it, but
Oh. He likes the hood, but
Yeah.
can you see with the bifocals in it?
he tried it on, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. See the difference in the colors? Hell yeah. It's a lot better. I can see the other line.
Okay.
Wow.
That's on 9 on this one. I'm gonna go a little lower. I'm gonna go down to 7.
So why were you able to see it on 9 through that?
It's the same as that one. On 9,
Okay.
it was
Oh, it's
basically
right
the
to
same.
David,
nine.
I'll
Okay,
trade
okay.
you.
Maybe
Okay.
a little
I
clearer.
want to see.
Yeah, see if you can see the difference in them.
Yeah.
So this is okay.
Just a second.
Yeah. Us fatheads. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, this is. Oh man,
I gotta go to.
this is like night and day.
7 is almost too light. on
What
this
do you
one.
mean?
4.
What is this set at? Or this is a. Where do you see the shade?
It's an 11, I think.
Yeah, you can
Yeah, so
tell
that's
this is
just
nowhere
set.
near.
It's dark.
Yeah, dark.
Yeah. Get yourself prepped. Get your spacing. Get kind of set up whatever's comfortable. Get close, and then pull your trigger and go.
Little slower. Very good, buddy. Very good in circle. There you go.
There you go. So you're doing pretty good
Yep.
if you're doing.
Man, you're pretty good.
Now, a while ago when I was watching Mark weld, with this hood, I could stand back here and weld real easy because I can see it.
Yeah. What a difference these hoods make.
Even with this one, I
Yeah.
can stand back here and see it because different part of my glasses. I got a long arm.
Yeah, okay. Very good, you guys.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
No, but that's the basics. You
Yeah.
kind of know how that works.
Yeah, and I saw how these lenses affect, and there's a big.
Yeah, there's a big
deal
difference.
with that.
That true color technology is nice. It really
Yeah.
makes it nice to
Yep.
see.
That was the blue.
Yeah.
It seemed to just
Clear.
clearer,
Yeah.
brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, I like that. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
that one's had a rough life. A long life.
Well, this is Brian and our cameraman Mark and David saying thank you. See you later.